Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. I sure hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other upcoming videos. If you are returning, hey Sugar Muffin. Alright y'all, I know you can clearly see that we are in a different setting. Ow! I have finally moved into my diva den. I have been working on this space for months and the perfectionist in me just would not allow me to move in. I kept saying, no, it's not done. I'm still working on it. But I had to realize I'm gonna always be working on it. So I was like, it is good enough, at least for me to move in and start recording. So here I am in my glam diva den. So we got a lot of new today. But before we get into that, you will see the videos going back and forth from this space and the previous space because I still have some unreleased videos that were recorded in the previous space that will be released. All right, so another new y'all is that not only am I doing a makeup collab, but I am doing my very first makeup collab, like ever on my channel. I just thought about that. I was like, I've never done a makeup collab before. It's always been hair. So I'm excited about that. So today's makeup collab is with my girl LQ Love, y'all. If y'all don't know who she is, you better find out, okay? LQ comes through with these makeup looks. You hear me? So she has a series called Two Girls, One Palette, where two girls are creating different looks based on one eyeshadow palette. So I decided to reach out and hit her up to do this collab, and I'm so grateful she accepted. And let me just tell y'all about her. She is super sweet and fun. Like, I just feel like her personality is just, it would just mesh so well with me. I feel like we would have a blast hanging out because I just love how transparent she is, and that's me all day. She also loves one of my favorite drinks, tequila. I was like, okay girl, you like tequila too? Okay, let's shot it up. She has these super fun lives on Sunday called Makeup and Mimosas. They are a ball of fun. So make sure you go check out her video as soon as you finish watching this one. You will want to see what she comes up with. So today, LQ and I are going to be doing a look from the box of crayons eyeshadow palette from the Crayon Case. This is my favorite palette in probably most of 2019, and it's still such a good go-to. I really love this palette. So before we get into the makeup, if you are interested in this beautiful curly unit that I'm wearing, I've already done a review on her, and I'll be sure to link that review down in the description box below. I'll also be sure to include LQ's channel and information down in the description box below. Make sure you follow her on Instagram, all her social media. Check her out, okay? Now, because I haven't done one of these makeup videos in a long time, it may be a lengthy video. I'm going to try to edit it as best as I possibly can, but I always include the timestamps down in the description box below, so you know you can maneuver through what you actually want to see if desired. All right, so if you want to see how I created this look, let's get into the video. All right, y'all, here we go. Let's get started. As you can see, I am a part of the No Eyebrow Gang. So I'm not going to waste your time creating these eyebrows. You know, I'm just not blessed with that. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a little switcheroo and do these eyebrows off camera. So. All right, y'all. So I'm never sure what look I'm going for. I kind of try to play off of like what I'm wearing. I'm just going to start and see where it takes me. All right, so I'm gonna first go into this tan color. All right, so I'm going to put this in and above my crease as my transition color. I'm using this Wet n Wild brush. It doesn't really have a name, but it's a nice, soft and fluffy brush. I'm like the worst at talking while doing my makeup because I concentrate so hard. So I'm gonna have to like keep remembering to tell myself that, you know, I need to be explaining what I'm doing here in case there's someone that is not a common makeup wearer. Like, I am the worst. I can't remember anything. I'm excited to be in my my new room, y'all. When I tell you, I thought I'd never get here. I'm so glad I was just like, let me stop trying to make this room perfect because it kind of never will be. Because I'm gonna always be doing something to it. I feel like I'm not closer, y'all. Let me zoom y'all in some more. Yeah, we're gonna get right up on these eyes, okay? Y'all all up in my area. All up in my area. Oh my God, y'all, I haven't done a makeup video in so long. So that's why I was excited to reach out to LQ. Because I knew, well, first of all, I know how bad of a makeup artist she is. Like, she does some phenomenal makeup, y'all. See how I can't talk and work at the same time? You see how I just completely stopped working? Focus, Ebony, focus. I'm gonna go in with this purple, y'all. I'm using the Crayon Case brush. No name, y'all, I'm sorry. It's just like a thicker, denser, flat brush so I can get right up in that crease. But as I was saying, LQ is a phenomenal makeup artist. Like, I truly enjoy watching her, especially her like mellow makeup Mondays. I could be saying it backwards. Mellow Monday. No, I might have said it right the first time. Mellow makeup Mondays. Like, that is so soothing to me. That was an excellent idea for her to do that. I absolutely love that. And so reaching out to her was also my way of pushing me back out here to do a makeup video again, because I know it's been like forever. And I love makeup, y'all. Like, I really do. I love playing in makeup. I enjoy it. It's peaceful to me. It's real serene. So I really do like it. Now I know in the past, whew, my makeup videos were so long, so I'm gonna really try not to make this super duper long. It's so easy for makeup videos to be long. Like, I gotta get my game up on how to better record and edit them so that they're not so long. Because I feel like I'm a little out of practice. So now I'm just gonna go back in with that first color. Try to blend and merge these two together that there's a seamless blend. We don't want a lot of harsh lines, y'all. And child, my patience or my impatience kick in with this blending. I know how important it is to blend for your life, but that impatience kick in and I'd be like, all right, I'm over this blending, and I'll be done. I really do. So I'm not going to be showing my like full face. I'm only going to be showing me doing my eyes today because this video will probably be just way too long. If that is something you want to see, I do have an updated like full face makeup routine that has been working for me and I absolutely love. So if that's something you want to see, just let me know down in the comments and I'll be sure to make that happen. But I don't want to bring you any content that, you know, you'd rather not see, so I won't do it if you don't want to see it. Are we blended? Oh, I can't see. So I'm adjusting, y'all. I'm getting real used to this whole new setup and this lighting and everything. You know, I got this little mirror here in front of me, but it's just too far away, so I can't really see. Look at this. And it has like the little lights on it and everything. Doesn't help that I'm like blind as a bat. I really can't see, y'all. I cannot see. I don't know why I'm one of them people that never want to wear my glasses because I can't see. My husband fusses at me all the time. Where your dang glasses at? I don't know. I don't want to wear them. All right, so now I'm gonna go into this deep plum color, and I'm just gonna deepen my outer V area. I don't know. This is a Luxie brush, and what does that say? Good Lord, I told you I can't see. Mini tapered. Ooh, Luxie 121 mini taper. I'm just putting this right in my outer V just to deepen this area. So let me see, I wonder what LQ is going to do today. I feel like, I know she's a purple chick too, because I know I've seen a couple purple looks from her. Outside of purple, if I had to guess, ooh, I don't know, y'all. She might be using like blue. I'm just guessing. We're guessing because we don't know. I don't know, but that's what I'm gonna guess for her. Y'all, so now I'm just gonna go back in with the lighter purple a little bit and blend right above that. I'm sorry, y'all. I went back into this tan color. I'm blending right now. I'm just blending. I'm going back and forth through the, I've only used 3 colors. That's it. I'm just going back and forth with these 3 colors to make sure everything is blended well. That's all. Now I'm going to cut crease. I'm gonna go back in with my Pro Longwear concealer. That's what I like to use. It's just easy. It's easy to apply. All right, so for the cut crease, I'm using another Luxie brush. It's the Luxie 245 small shader. And it has this really, really flat tip. Are we focused? Are we focused? Are we focused? Now we're focused. It's super flat, so that's why I like it. All right, let's go in. Did you feel the concentration? Why do I like hold my breath, y'all? I swear, every time. Anybody else hold their breath when they cutting the crease? Like I be in such focus mode. All right, do the other eye. All right, we're cut. Now we're gonna go into this, what is this, magenta color? And put that kind of in the middle of the lids. So now I'm gonna go in with this white for the remainder of my lid. And I'm just blending the white and the pink together. back in with that, what is this, deep plum. And just blend that with the pink over here. I'm going with a smaller flat brush to get up in there. Sometimes you gotta get up in there. This is like a real small flat brush. Gotta get up in there. Booyah! We're coming along, y'all. We're coming along. I'm gonna finish this eye. Let me just finish this one. I keep seeing things I need to correct. So I'm going back in to blend out this purple here on the edge. And then back in, I didn't add any product, but this was my first color, that tan color, just to blend. Let's do the same to the other eye. So we're gonna do a little wing liner real quick, and I like to use my little NYX matte eyeliner or liquid eyeliner. And yes, I'm getting silent because I gotta hold my breath and focus. So these are currently my new favorite lashes from Amazon. You get 14 in a pack for $10. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna get the rest of this face together, get this hair in some decency, and we'll come back and chat. Let's go. Ow. All right, y'all, so this is my final look. Fun, like, oh my god, I can't believe it's been that long since I've done a makeup video. So you will be seeing some more of these. So I would love to know what you think about this look down in the comments below. Let's chat about it. Please be sure to go check out LQ's channel. I cannot wait to see what look she came up with. I still think she went with like purple bluish. That's what I'm going with. Purple blue family somewhere. Let's see if I'm right. So I'm not gonna hold you any longer. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Please be sure to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.